Hello, good day. In this virtual class, we'll be solving this problem and look at the best possible way to approach questions of this nation. So, for the value of x, we satisfy the equations. Sine open bracket x squared plus 4 plus bracket equals of cos open bracket 8x plus 2 close the bracket. So we approach this from using the simple trigonometric ratio from the right angle triangle. Now we have two angles here. For instance, we have the angle equations alpha, that's angle A, and theta, which is the angle C. Now, if we're looking at this angle here, the opposite of theta, this angle theta here is the line AB, which is represented with small letter c. Then, if you are looking at the hypotenuse here is the line AC, the line that faces the side that faces the right angle is the hypotenuse. Then let's look at the angle here alpha. The opposite of this angle alpha is the line BC, while the adjacent is the line AB. So let's look at sine with respect to theta first. Sine with respect to the angle theta, this is opposite over what the hypotenuse. So which is C over B. Okay, let's look at cos of the angle theta, which is K. This is the adjacent with the line BC, which is A over B. Okay, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. Now, if you are looking for tan, tan theta. Tau is opposite of this angle theta here is C, and the adjacent is the line BC, which is C over A. Now let's look at this angle here. Imagine we're looking for this angle alpha here. So let's look for sine alpha. The opposite is BC, which is A over B. Then let's look for cos alpha. K is adjacent. The adjacent of this angle alpha here is C over B. Then let's look for tan alpha. Tau is opposite here, which is C over A. Now you could notice here that let's look at this carefully. You could notice here that look at sine theta. Sine theta is the same thing. Sine theta is the same thing as what? Cos alpha. As what? Cos alpha. Look at it. This is C over B. Here is also C over B. Sine theta is C over B. While cos alpha is what? C over what? B. But if you look at this triangle, this is a right angle triangle. That is the sum of angle in a triangle. If we add alpha plus theta plus the right angle here, which is 90 degrees, is eventually must give 180. So alpha plus theta eventually end up equals to 90, because 180 minus 90 is 90. Now, assuming we want to do want to alter some things here, let's assume that theta now, let's make theta solve the formula. This become 90 minus alpha. So here, if we come here in place of theta, we'll replace it. Okay, we'll replace this. This become sine in place of theta is now 90 minus alpha. We close the bracket. Is equals to what? Is equals to cos alpha. So what was simply saying here that this two angle here, this angle here, this is one angle, and these two angles, once we add it together, they must be equal to 90. So we use that fact instead of beating about the bush. So we could simply say that for here, so here we could say s squared plus plus 4 plus 8x plus 2, everything is equivalent to 90. So that is the two angle here. So these are the angle. What is inside this place and what is inside this place is 90 degree, and it's true. So this will become x squared plus 8x plus 6 is equals to 90. So quickly here, let's say this is x squared plus 8x plus 6 minus 90 is equals to 0. Now eventually this becomes x squared plus 8x minus 80 minus 84 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So let's use factorization method. So here, where if we have this to multiply this, this gives minus 84 x squared. So let's find all the factors of 84. 1 times 84, okay, 2 times 42. Let's try 3. Can 3 go? 3 times 28. Can 4 go? Yes. 4 times 21. Can 5 go? No. Let's try 6. Can 6 go? 6 can go. 6 times 6 times 6 times 14. Okay. Can 7 go? Can 7 go? 7 in 84. Can 7 go? So here we have a 7. Let's look at this 7 here. 1, 7, and 12. Okay. Now among all these factor, we look at the one if we add it to give us this. Okay. Quickly you can see that 14 and 6 can do that. So here become this is x squared, okay, plus 14x minus 6x minus 84 is equals to 0. So here we put a parenthesis. What is common here is simply x. Then what we have here, x plus 14, okay, minus what is common here is minus 6. So we'll put it here. This become x plus 14 is equals to 0. So here we have a x minus 6, okay, into x plus 14 is equals to 0. Alright, so here s will just be 6 or minus 14. But which of them will satisfy this? Let's look at this here. 6 square, okay, 6 square, that is 36 plus 4. So we are looking at what? Sine 40. Let's look at this side. Cos. Let's look at this. This one is 8 times 6, 48 plus, that means cos 50. So let's see. Is it true? Yes. If you look at this situation here, it means if we add this plus this, it must give us this. Okay. So this is what satisfied. If you put minus 14 here and minus 40 here, is not going to give you the same thing, because this is definitely going to give us a negative side. So in that case, the one that satisfies it is s is equals to 6, right? Please, if you find this video very useful, help me subscribe and also share this on your social media platform. You can also try the many ones on your own. See you in my next virtual class.